Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 8 latest defense updates. Number 1, US natural partner in Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative, says General Atomics Chief Executive Vivek Lal. Describing Atmanirbhar Bharat as a brilliant initiative which was long overdue, a top Indian American chief executive has said that the US is our natural partner in India's initiative to make the country self-reliant in various fields, particularly in defense. Next, Army's objective is to restore patrolling rights as Despang during Sino-India disengagement talks. As discussions regarding disengagement between China and India continue, the Indian Army sets all its sights on restoring patrolling rights at Despang, a crucial area along the Sino-India border. Next, India urges Kevin McCarthy to invite PM Modi for US Congress joint session. The influential Congressional India caucus co-chairs on Tuesday urged House Speaker Kevin McCarthy to invite Prime Minister Narendra Modi to address a joint session of the US Congress during his upcoming state visit here. Next, PM Modi describes rapid rise in India-Australia relation. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today used cricket analogy to describe the rapid upswing in Indian-Australia ties, as he said that the bilateral relations have entered the T20 mode. He made the comments after holding wide-ranging talks with his Australian counterpart Anthony Albanese that focused on further expansion of the comprehensive strategic partnership between the two countries. Next, USTDA hosts workshop on US-India 5G and Next Generation Network. The US Trade and Development Agency, that is USTDA, hosted a workshop on US-India 5G and Next Generation Networks. US Ambassador to India Eric Garcetti and Department of Telecommunications Secretary K. Rajaraman kicked off the workshop with over 150 senior Indians and US government and private sector participants. Next, PM Modi raises with Australian counterpart concerns over attacks on temples in Australia. He raised this with his Australian counterpart that over the recent incidents of attacks on temples in Australia and activities of pro-Khalistani elements in that country was discussed. Next, JK, part of India, Pakistan has no right to talk about it, says Union Minister. Jammu and Kashmir is a part of India and Pakistan has no right to talk about it and should rather pay attention towards its own people. Union Tourism Minister G.K. Reddy said here on Tuesday, speaking to reporters on the sidelines of the third G20 Tourism Working Group meeting at the Sher-e-Kashmir International Convention Center. He says Pakistan was battling a crisis and should focus on its own plight. Next, Russia pushes India for help to avert global financial isolation. The Kremlin is pressurizing governments, including India, behind the scenes, threatening to append defense and energy deals unless they help block expected moves aimed at turning Russia into a financial pariah state over its invasion of Ukraine. Thank you.